Logan, is that you? I can't believe it. Long time no see you, bro. How are you? Christian, wow, yeah, I haven't seen you since. I don't remember. I think since that party Richard had for his birthday, how have you been feeling lately? Why do you ask? Do I look bad? Or maybe do I look sick? Or what? No, no. I just heard you got fired. Is that true? If so, I'm sorry about that. Well, yeah, that's true. I have been looking for a job, but I can't find one. It's not easy. I know. That's why I keep working in the same place. I can't lose this job. Yeah, I see. By the way, how long have you been working in this company? I've been working there for 8 years, but I got promoted twice. That's not bad. And tell me, what kind of job have you been looking for? Any specific field you want to work in? Well, I studied software engineering, so I want to work in a technological company. I heard a Space Y company has been hiring people, but I don't know. It looks too difficult. Are you kidding? That's a great company. You should absolutely apply for that job position. Maybe that is the job you have been waiting for, and you are a great engineer. Come on. Yeah, I have been thinking about that, but I would have to work 12 hours a day. Before, I wouldn't have had any problems, but now everything is different. What do you mean different? I don't understand. Don't you like that job? Since I got fired, I have been doing a lot of things. You know, I have worked hard for years, but lately I have been trying different things and I like it. I mean, I feel much better now. I don't understand. What have you been doing lately? You haven't been working. No, I'm not talking about work. I mean, I have been participating in different activities. For example, I've been taking dance classes. I have never done something like that. You dance lessons? I can't believe it. You never liked dancing, or that's what I remember. I know. But I have been going to this dance academy, and I really like it. I have been learning salsa dance, pop, and also bachata. They're really interesting. It's not easy to learn, but I have been trying hard. The teacher is really good. Seriously, he has been teaching me some movements. You would be surprised to see me dancing. Yeah, sure, but you need to work, right? I mean, you can go to these classes at night. I go in the evenings because during the day I do other things like learning French. In the mornings, I study French at home. I found this great YouTube channel. I've been studying French with them. Tangerine Academy is the name. I love it. I have been watching these videos for 1 month and I have learned a lot. Believe me. Good for you. But what about the afternoons? You can work in the afternoons. I can't because in the afternoons I play soccer with some friends. Well, new friends I have. It's like a group of people who want to play soccer in the city. They meet in a soccer court. We have been playing soccer for 1 month and I have improved a lot. Do you like soccer? I do, but I don't play very often. And what about the weekends? You can work on the weekends. No, I can't. On Saturdays, I travel to different places. Just full days. I get up early in the morning and then come back home late in the evening. I've been traveling a lot since I got fired. I also found some friends to travel with. And on Sundays, I go running or to eat in typical restaurants, food from all over the world. I've been going to different restaurants every Sundays. It's amazing. Wow, I'm surprised. But how have you been doing all these things? I don't understand. I mean, you got fired, you don't work, so you're not making money. How can you do it? You haven't been working for 2 or 3 months. How have you been paying for all those things? Yes, I haven't been working for 3 months, but I don't need much money for that. About my dance classes, I found a very good discount, and I only pay $5 per class. I have been going there twice or 3 times a week. And about my French classes, well, I don't have to pay anything because YouTube is free. You just watch the videos for free. When I play soccer, I don't have to pay anything because the soccer field belongs to the town hall. I haven't been paying anything for those things. And about the trips, I am a backpacker. I try to spend as little as possible on each trip and bring my own food. It's not expensive. I haven't been spending much money these months. In fact, I have been saving money. When I worked all day, I couldn't do anything I liked. But now it's different. I understand, but you haven't been working for 3 months. Where do you get the money from? Oh, I know a lot about computers, so I fix them for people. I also edit some videos. They don't pay me a lot of money, but it's enough to buy food and pay for my rent. I just work for hours, and the rest of the day I take it to enjoy life. I really like it. I'm surprised. I never thought you would be saying this kind of things. I know, right? But I have been thinking a lot about life. Working all day to only enjoy some hours at the end of the week, and that's not for me. I prefer to do different things. Do not take me wrong. I'm not saying you're wrong. I am happy you keep working hard, bro. and I hope you can get everything you wish. But I have decided to take a different path. I'm happy for you, and yeah, it's just a different way of looking at things. I get it. I am happy working hard and getting the things I work for. What do you think, guys? Yeah, what have you been doing lately and how have you been feeling about it? Let us know. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us or click on the Super Thanks button. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.